If you're a professional video person or sound for video person, or maybe aspiring to one of those things, and you're not yet familiar with how to use UHF wireless microphone systems, then this is the course for you. In the last 6 years or so, there's been an explosion of consumer wireless microphone systems that have flooded the market. These systems, like the Rode Wireless Go, Pro, ME, Micro, and the DJI Mic 1, 2, or 3, or any of the thousands of similar products, are a great fit for creators and even in some cases professional use, like in corporate video. They're pretty simple to use and also quite reliable in simple recording situations. But if you use these systems in more complex situations, then you probably run into limitations, especially, for example, if you've tried to use 4 channels at the same time, 4 different microphones. And that's where these systems tend not to be as strong, and where UHF wireless microphone systems can step in and really make a huge difference. Now, the reality is that UHF wireless microphone systems, they're getting simpler to use, but there's still some background information you need to understand and some basics about wireless theory and things like that. So that's exactly what we cover in this course to help you get the most out of UHF wireless microphone systems. In this course, we cover the basics of UHF wireless systems, what all the components do, how antennas work, how to optimize the range that your system can operate at, how to hide lavalier microphones and transmitters, how to set up a wireless boom microphone. And then we also cover how to troubleshoot problems when they arise, because the reality is they arise. And at the end of the course, we also cover how to choose the right UHF wireless microphone system for you and the types of projects that you do. Spoiler alert, there is not one ultimate wireless microphone system for every single situation out there, just like there isn't one universal best car for every person in the world. And this is not just a bunch of pre-recorded videos. We also give you a way to get answers if you get stuck or need advice. We have weekly sound for video sessions where you can submit questions ahead of time and we'll answer those on the session. And it's not just me. Of course, I'm there presenting, but we also have a community that has lots and lots of experience, and they can often jump in and help answer questions that I might not have experience with. We also have a Discord server where you can talk with other members of the community and myself if you want to ask your questions there. And if you want to join that, you can find the link to join that on our latest Sound for Video session. Just look through the chat and you'll find it in there. So if this sounds like it'd be useful for you, we'd love to have you join. In the meantime, get out there and make some great sound.